Today, we're going to be checking out a couple of boom microphones by Boya. I have the PVM3000M and the 3000S here, and we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison, as well as going over the specs and applications for each of these microphones. Right now, we're kicking off the video with the sound of the PVM3000M, which is set up on a boom stand just above me. The M stands for medium, and it offers a narrow 50-degree pickup angle, allowing less ambience into the recording compared to the PVM3000S. The short capsule on the 3000S that you can see sitting here on top of my Canon 5D offers a wider 70-degree pickup angle, allowing it to capture more ambience and a greater number of subjects when you're filming. It's a more compact unit and is designed to be mounted on top of your camera and is ideal for run and gun type video work, where you need to get high quality audio for interviews or face-to-camera shots of any kind where the subject is up nice and close to the camera. This sounds great right now because it's about 20 centimeters away, even less, so it's very direct. Now the larger PVM3000M can also be mounted on a camera and it will work just as well, although it's longer and heavier and will stand out more from the front of the camera. With its narrower 50-degree pickup angle, it'll isolate some of the surrounding audio and focus more specifically on the person directly in front of the camera. However, if I was going to pick up one of these for camera use, I would say that the BY-PVM3000S is better suited due to its compact size and wider pickup angle for general purpose usage. If you were in a studio or indoor environment shooting seated guests or videos of yourself speaking to camera, you'd be better off using the 3000M and mounting it off camera on a boom stand as close to the vocal source as possible. This will give you by far the most up close and personal sound and deliver clean and present audio no matter what lens you're using or where you position the camera. Now, in terms of audio quality, both microphones incorporate an integrated preamplifier, low noise circuitry, and a balanced XLR output. As condenser microphones, they require 24 to 48 phantom power, which is most often provided by the recording unit such as the Zoom H6, which I'm using here today, or any semi-pro to pro camcorders. However, if you intend to use either of these microphones with a DSLR or mirrorless camera, you can insert a single AA battery that will provide power directly to the microphone. They both have a frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz and a switchable 150 Hz low cut filter, which you can activate to reduce rumble from indoor heating and cooling systems and outdoor traffic. And now for a quick outdoor test with the 3000S mounted directly onto the Canon EOS R. I was standing back at around 3.5 meters just then. Now I'm at about the 1.5 meter mark, and this is what the audio would sound like. This is probably a good distance for general purpose face to camera type of interview shots, but if you're vlogging, you can obviously get it up a little bit closer for a more direct and personal sound. Depends on the lenses you're using and how you're going to be positioning the microphone. Made of an aluminium frame, they're lightweight yet durable, and I like the fact that you get a blue light indicator to let you know that the mics are connected and receiving power. They come with a small shock mount for mounting on top of your camera or boom poles, and the 4-point suspension that's integrated into the shock mount minimizes vibration and handling noises. You can swivel the mount horizontally, and there's a lever on the side that allows you to control the vertical angle of the microphone, which gives you a fair degree of flexibility in terms of the microphone position. There's a foam cover for indoor shooting and a furry windshield, otherwise known as a dead cat, which is ideal for outdoor work in extremely windy and noisy environments. The XLR cable is not included, so you'll need to use your own, be it an XLR male to female, for connecting to pro audio recorders or camcorders, or an XLR to 3.5 cable if you want to connect into your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Thanks for checking out the video. If you want more information on the microphones, including specs and current pricing, I'll leave a link to the Boya website in the description box below. Now there's also a PVM3000L in the lineup, which I didn't have here today, and this is very much the same specs as the 3000M, but it has a 30-degree pickup angle, which would isolate the vocal even more from the noise in the environment, or if being used in a scenario with multiple guests, could help further reduce echo and room noise. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll endeavor to get back to you as soon as possible. See you on the next one. Bye for now.